Hello guys, first of all I want to thank you because you decided to listen to me and study Kurmanji. I hope so. Today we will do our first lesson and it will be about Kurdish language. What is this Kurdish language? When I say Kurdish language, what I mean? And we will speak about alphabet, and we will speak about the situation of language in the Kurdistan. So let's start. When I say Kurdish, you have to understand that I mean some dialects of Kurdish. For example, we have Kurmanji, which is spoken in Turkey, and we call Turkey as North Kurdistan. And we have, as a dialect, we have Sorani, Gorani, Pahlawani in Syria, which we call Rojava, Kurmanji, and I think Sorani is spoken, but mostly Kurmanji. And of course we have Zazaki. When I say Zazaki, some people will say, okay, Zazaki is not Kurdish. Yes, there are some discussions about it, but I say it is a dialect of Kurdish, in my opinion. When I speak about Kurdish, you have to know that Kurdish is a spoken language. I mean, was a spoken language, of actually still spoken language, because we don't have education, we don't have like united media, and that's why you will see a lot of variants of a word. For example, turtle in Mardin, we say kiso, but you will say kusi, kosi, a lot of variants, but you will get used to it. It's okay. In Kurmanji, in alphabet, we have 31 letters, and eight of it is vowel. What is vowel? When I say vowel, you have to understand that I mean a, e, o, u. In Kurmanji, we call it dengder. Yes, and we have 23 consonants. And what is consonant? It is like k, p, ch, t, k, k. We have k in Kurmanji, and so we can start to read some words to see how should we read and what is these letters. So let's start. If you are ready to write our words and our letters, we can start. Our first letter is A. A, and you have to be careful about writing because it is like big one, it is capital and small. Agar. Agar. Agar means fire. Khani. Khani. Khani is house. Second letter is B. B. Bash. Bra. Bash. Bra. Bash means good, fine. Okay, let's start to learn. When I say bash, it means fine, good, and if you want to say I'm fine, I'm good, you can say as bashim. Yes, I good am. I mean, if I start literal, if I translate it literal, it means I good am. As bashim. Yes, bash means fine, good. And j. J. Jil, Javag. Jil, Javag. Jil is clothes and Javag is society. And ch. Ch. Char. Char. Kachik. Kachik. Char means four, and Kachik means girl, or it also daughter as well. We have the diwar, badan. Diwar, badan. Diwar means wall and badan means body, and we also call it lash, badan or lash. Yes. And a, ani, dest, ani, dest. Ani is forehead and dest is hand. Dest, hand. It's very similar, dest, hand. And we have a. Yes, you have to be careful about this a, because it is a. with this head, A, and it is longer than this A. A. For example, esh, esh, or sterk, sterk. Esh means pain, grief, and sterk means star. Same root. And the f, farhang, farhang, birth, birth. Farhang means dictionary and birth means snow. G, g, it's our g, g, it is g. G, it is ganem or ganem and seg. Ganem, seg. Ganem means wheat. Yes, seg means dog, but you can also see it as se. Se, it means seg. I mean same shit. He, he, have, do, have, do. Have means moon, moon. Yes, moon. And do means yesterday. So let's go further. Go here. Okay. Juan Zivistan. Juan Zivistan. Okay. Our it is when I write it capital, it is without a dot. But when I write it like small, it should be a dot on it. Juan Zivistan. Juan means young as an adjective, young, and Zivistan means winter. Yes, Zivistan is winter. Okay, we have E. It is long. E. Iro havin. Iro is today. Iro, and havin is summer. Yes, summer. And we have J. Jan Bajar. Jan Bajar. Jan means pain, grief, like Esh, like here. Jan Esh. Bajar. Yes. Bajar means city. Yes. And we have K. Kur Daik. Kur Daik. Kur means like boy, son, and Daik means mother. Daik and de and Daik same. Daik. Yes, it means mother. And we have le, lemon mel. Lemon mel. I hope that you can guess what is this lemon. And mel is like arm, shoulder. Okay. We have nav. Nan. Nav. Nan. Nav means name. Yes, as you see, it's the same name and nav. It is same na. It's same root. Yes, nav, nan, and nan is bread. Bread, nan, bread. And in Persian, I think it is known because there was a film. It was Gol Onon. Gol Onon. Yes, like a rose and bread. It is very nice. You have to watch it. Gol Onon. Okay, and we have O. It's Ode, U, Roj. Ode means room, but I think it's from Arabic. And R is Roj. It means sun and day. For example, Iro is today. Roj, Ro is sun and day. We have P. P means P. Pusht dapir. Pusht dapir. Pusht means bag, and also means this bag. And dapir is grandmother. Grandmother, yes. And we have Q. Qalam aqal. Qalam aqal. Qalam is a pen. It's from Arabic, but in Kurmanji we also use this penus. Penus, you will see it like in our lessons. And aqal like mind, like a reason. Aqal. It's also from Arabic. Aqal. Okay, and our last letters. We have R. Rubar, Bahar. Rubar, Bahar. Rubar means river. Yes, river. River. And Bahar is our season. And we have sir, must. Sir, must. Sir means head. Head. And must means yogurt. Yes, yogurt. And we have shaker, ashti. Shaker, ashti. Shaker. Shaker means sugar. Yes, same root. Shaker, sugar. And ashti means peace. Peace, yes. And we have tirs, pertuk. Tirs, pertuk. Tirs means fear. And pertuk means book. Kurd, do. Kurd, do. Kurd means Kurd. Kurd, we call ourselves Kurd. And the do means two. And look, it's same shit. Same root. Do and two. Do, two. It will be easy for English speaker to learn these, because there are like many similar stuff. Okay, we are here. Ooh, yes, it is our long ooh. Ooh, like a, e, and ooh. Yes, ooh. What is ooh? It's our long ooh. And we have kur, which means deep, kur. Yes, and we have vala, chav. Vala means empty, and chav means eye. And we have we, like Arabic. Wow. Walat, Bawari. Walat means country. Bawari means belief. For example, for this walat, I can give an example, but where? Let me write somewhere. For example, here. For example, Walateme Kurdistan. Yes. Walateme Kurdistan. Kurdistan, as you guess, as you know, as you understand, it is our land. Kurd plus stan, it makes place. And this Walat is our country, and Walateme our country. It means our country is Kurdistan. Yes, our country is Kurdistan. Yes. And what else? We said Bawari is belief. Yes. And we have khe. It is khawun or bakhche. Khawun, bakhche. Khawun means dream. Yes. And bakhche means garden. And we have ye. It is yek and gya. Yek means one, and gya means grass. Yes, grass. Yes, and our last letter is ze. Zengil, azadi. Zengil means bell. Yes, bell. And azadi is freedom. Yes. For today, it was our first lesson, and we will meet again, I hope. And with my broken English, I'm trying to teach you Kurdish. I think it will be perfect for my English, and it will be great for your Kurdish. And if you want to take private lessons, you can write as a commentary, and I can find you, and I will share some PDFs and some books like under this video. You will see as a link. I hope we will meet again, and for now, goodbye. Thank you for your attention, and bye bye.